In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a workflow in Slack. Slack Workflow Builder is a built-in automation tool that helps you handle repetitive tasks without writing code. It's useful for things like daily check-ins, request forms, approval flows, and welcome messages. In the 2026 version, the interface includes more advanced routing, branching, and built-in AI support, which makes it even easier to streamline routine work inside your workspace. To get started, open the Slack desktop app or sign into your workspace from a desktop web browser. Once you're inside Slack, go to the left-hand sidebar and open the More or Automations section, depending on how your workspace is set up. From there, choose Tools and then select Workflow Builder. When the builder opens, look to the upper area of the screen and click the button labeled New or Build Workflow to start creating one from scratch. Next, you'll need to choose the trigger, which is what starts the workflow. Click. Choose an event and decide how you want the automation to begin. You can start it from a link, which creates a clickable Start Workflow button that can be shared or pinned in a channel. You can run it on a schedule if you want it to launch automatically at a specific time or on a recurring basis. You can also trigger it when a message is posted, which is helpful when certain keywords appear in selected channels. Another option is using an emoji reaction, so the workflow starts as soon as someone reacts to a message with a chosen emoji. After the trigger is set, click Add Step to build what the workflow actually does. If you want to collect information, choose the Form option. This opens a pop-up form where you can add questions one by one and choose field types like short text, multiple choice, or drop-down menus. This helps keep responses organized and consistent. You can also add a message step to automatically send updates to a public channel, private group, or direct message. If needed, you can include the optional AI response step, so Slack can generate a smart reply based on form inputs and connected workspace context. To make your workflow dynamic, use variables instead of typing everything manually. Open a message field or confirmation text area, then click Insert a variable near the bottom. From there, select data from earlier steps, such as the person who started the workflow, a form response, or a timestamp. This allows each workflow run to automatically include the right details. Finally, go to the top left area of the builder and click the workflow icon to customize it. Give the workflow a clear name so it's easy to identify later. Then, in the upper right corner, click Finish Up and then Publish. Once published, your workflow is live and ready to use across your Slack workspace.